Hello friends! Welcome back to part 2 of our Action Verbs series. Thanks so much for the amazing support on part 1. We're so excited to continue learning with you today. We hope you enjoy part 2 of Action Verbs. And remember, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out when we upload new videos. Alright, let's get started. Pour. Pour. Fall down. Fall down. Approve. Approve. Swipe. Swipe. Blow. Blow. Charge. Charge. Dig. Dig. Feed. Feed. Graduate. Graduate. Cry. Cry. Laugh. Laugh. Bow down. Bow down. Catch. Catch. Lean. Lean. Follow. Follow. Cancel. Cancel. Create. Create. Recover. Recover. Fix. Fix. Repair. Repair. Transfer. Transfer. Download. Download. Upload. Upload. Subscribe. Subscribe. Look up. Look up. Play. Play. Listen. Listen. Ride. Ride. Read. Read. Stop. Stop. Call. Call. Drive. Drive. Stand up. Stand up. Sit down. Sit down. exercise, exercise. Hug, hug. Pinch, pinch. Stir, stir. Roll, roll. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Squeeze, squeeze. Sift, sift. Peel, peel. Grate, grate. Slice, slice. Dip, dip. Fold, fold. Dry, dry. Hang up, hang up. Ring, ring. Swept, swept. Mop, mop. Vacuum, vacuum. Dust off, dust off. Clean, clean. Sip, sip. Pull, pull. Push, push. Knock, knock. Unload, unload. That's it for part 2 of action verbs. We hope you had fun learning with us today. Thanks again for watching and supporting our channel. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss our next video. And if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye! For now.